How to remove repost on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm Head260 today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your profile at the top left corner of your screen, here scroll down, you'll find My Favorites and Repost. Now, to remove a repost, simply click on the repost you want to remove. Here, you'll find two arrow option on the right side. Click on it. After you click on it, it will be removed. You can do same thing in another videos as well. After you reload and go to repost again, the repost has been removed. And this is how to remove repost on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.